Master your TV remote. Programming without a code.
Hello, everyone. We're going to guide you through an essential process today, programming your TV remote without a code. You've lost or forgotten the code for your TV remote? Don't worry. We'll get it sorted out together.
Understanding the task.
What does programming a TV remote mean? Simply put, it's the process of syncing your remote to the TV so that it responds to the remote's commands. Usually, this involves using a specific code for your TV model, but we'll explore how to do it without a code today.
Prepare the remote and TV.
How do we start? Firstly, ensure that both your remote and TV are powered on. You might need to insert fresh batteries into your remote if it's not responding at all. Remember, a working TV and a responsive remote are vital for this process.
Entering programming mode.
How do we get the remote ready for programming? Usually, there's a button or a sequence of buttons you need to press on your remote to enter programming mode. This button may be labeled as Setup or Code Search. Hold down this button until the LED on your remote lights up or blinks, which is an indication that it's ready for programming.
Scanning for the TV code.
What's the next step? After you've entered programming mode, press the button for the device you want to program, in this case, the TV. Next, press the power button. Your remote will begin to scan for codes that can be used for your TV. This might take a couple of minutes. When your TV shuts off, it means your remote has found a compatible code.
Testing the remote.
How do we know it worked? Try turning your TV on using the remote. If it turns on, try adjusting the volume or changing channels to make sure all the functions work correctly. If everything works as it should, congratulations! You've successfully programmed your TV remote without a code. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this guide helps you master the process of programming your TV remote, even when you don't have the code at hand. It's a simple process that will save you a lot of time and trouble in the long run. Happy watching!